Hello, this is Ms. Martinez, and I'm going to be showing you the course I created for my college class to cover 4 weeks of instruction. Let me click on it. Okay, this will be the first thing my students see when they open their Canvas account. I'm going to be doing pre-K, so I wanted to put more color into my home page. I have attached a picture of myself so the students can see me. I have also created a classroom using Google Slides. I embedded it to my Canvas course, so if I need to make any changes, I'll just have to go to my Google Slides and do them there, or I can actually do it in here if I edit my classroom. I think it was a pretty neat way for the students to be able to click on websites. Each picture has a website to go, a link to go to. For example, this is Raskies, where I will be sending my students to read books. They will just click on the icon and it will take them to the Raskies website. Below, you can see it. Okay, this is the Raskies, and they will be going in here. I have other websites in here that they will be able to click on, and it will just take them right away. But I have also put the books that I'm gonna be doing this week. The first week of our course, I will be putting our books in here. They will just click on the book, and it will take them to a YouTube page where they can hear the book.
Chickens to the Rescue by John Himmelman.
Okay, so that's the books. But I also added some audios in this classroom. I have one pointing to myself. Good morning. Welcome to Ms. Martinez's classroom. I am so happy to have you here today. Let's get ready. Okay, and I'll probably be changing that one. I'll try to change it every day or so, because that's the ingredients I'm doing to the students, and for me it is very important to greet my students and make them feel they are in a classroom. I have also put 4 animals in here, and sitting by me is a chicken, the pig, a cow, and a sheep. Each animal represents the week. So if I want the students to click for their week 1 assignments, they would just go to the chicken, or I should rephrase that. If I want them to go to module 1, they can click on the chicken, module 2, the pig, and so on. I will be also putting links on each picture of, for example, the shapes, and I have numbers over here. I have the alphabet, and I will be attaching a link to each letter, so the kids can click on it, and it will take them to a YouTube page, and it will sing the letter, or it will show them how to practice the letter of the week. For example, this first week, or the letter of the week, is a letter F, so they will click on letter F, and it will take them to YouTube, and they can hear the letter F in there. Okay, but I did not want it to get left my parents left out. So if they scroll down, they will be able to see some buttons below the classroom. It has syllables, modules, Zoom, learning objectives, so they can click on the modules, and it will open them, send them directly to the modules for our classroom. They can see the work in here, week 1, 2, the course objectives. It's just the easy way for me to send them to what I want them to see that week, without them having to look around for the information that I want them to see. And if they want to, they can actually go to the top of the page, and on the side they can see the home, announcements, assignments, discussions, the grades. I have also attached the rubrics here. And the last thing I added to my home page was a how are you sheet that the students can click on. Of course, with the help of their parents, they will type in their name or the last name. And even if the students try to do it by themselves and they do one letter wrong or something, I will know who it is. And then they ask them, how are you today? And they can tell me I'm feeling amazing, doing pretty well, I'm okay, I'm being better. Or if they're not feeling good, they can actually tell me, okay, today I'm not feeling good, I'm sad about my pet or something like that. And I will be able to give them some feedback and a response. So, and if I need to, I can make a Zoom meeting or something like that to talk to that child and see if I can help them feel better also. To me, this is very important because I want to be part of their lives, and if I can help them and release some frustration from their parents, that then I will do so. So I think this sheet is pretty neat and important for me, that I'll know how my kids are doing whenever they log into our Canvas course. Okay, let me go back to home page. Okay, so this is my home page, and I think I made it easy enough for or pre-K, my pre-K students, because it will be more colorful and they will be able to click on the pictures without them having to read. They don't know how to read yet, so I think by seeing pictures it will be easier for them to just click and do their assignments like that. But thank you so much for showing me how to start this course, and I have enjoyed your class, and I have learned a lot, and you have made me push myself into look into new technologies. Like, for example, this classroom, I didn't even know it was out there, and I learned to do it, and it's pretty easy for the students, well, the pre-kids, younger kids, to feel connected and feel that you're in the classroom, because it's easier for them to just click and it will take them to something right away without them having to search for it. So this is it. This is all I have for my classroom.